Camera.
Oh, he's shouting about now. Right.
Well, everybody loves when you do that.
Woodpecker up there.
Oh, what, green or
It's a
spotted?
spotted.
Yeah, that's spotted.
I've lost him a minute. We like this one just by here. Where does he live?
He's on the second tree.
Or behind?
The one behind, yeah.
And you got the V, it goes into a V and he's on the left hand V going up. Left hand part of it. He's on the side here, so you can only see the outline of him.
I can just see it. Oh,
It's a big up there.
yeah, so that's a spotted woodpecker. I can see that. Second tree, and there's a small branch, small one going up with a V. He's round the back.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
He's coming down the tree slowly.
I was going to say that's a pecker, but that's a spotted.
Still got him.
I can't see him. I've lost him.
See him?
No.
See the second tree, the tree on the right.
Yeah.
Where the fall goes up to the left. There's two branches coming down off it. Funny shaped one. He's on the top of the funny shaped one. Look, come here. I zoom out. There he is, see?
Oh God, yeah, he's sticking out. Well, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See where he is now?
I still can't see him. Oh yeah, I can. I'm looking further up the tree.
Yeah, you got him?
Yeah. He's quite low down, isn't he?
Yeah,
He's running up there now.
yeah.